Hi, this is Angie from VRAcademi. Today I'm going to teach you how to cut objects. So it is a very simple process. For example, drag a box over here and you want to cut a piece of it, a round piece of it. What you can do is you can drag this cylinder and put it at the exact place where you want to make a hole, for example here. And what you have to do in order to cut this box so that it contains this hole is you have to select this cylinder and make it a hole, so not solid but a hole. And then when you group this cylinder together with your box, I will click on group. This is what happens. You have created a hole. So if you would like to create a house with walls, what you would do is you would drag one box inside your workspace. I will delete this for now, and I will make its walls to be 50 by 50, and I will make the height to be 40. So since I want to create walls, what I want to do actually is to delete the inner part of this house. How can I do this? I can click on this box and duplicate it, and now I have two boxes, one on top of the other. So the duplicated one, I will change its dimensions. Dimensions will depend on how thick I want these walls to be. So if I want my walls to be of number 2 thickness, I would change the dimensions to 46 by 46, and I will leave the height as it is. Now, before cutting my box, I will have to center the inner box, the smaller one, put it exactly in the center. I will select it and use the align tool in order to put the smaller one exactly in the center of the bigger one. Now I can select the smaller one and make it a hole, and then, as we did before, we group these two objects together, and look what happened. We created these walls for the house. In the same way, in the same manner, you can create a door at your house. How can you do that? You can drag a whole box, put it exactly where you want your door to be, and then group it together with your house. And here is your door. You can also drag a roof, change the dimensions to 50 by 50, because these are the dimensions of the walls of the house, and then align it with your house, and you got your house. I hope you understood how you can cut objects. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.